Hey, hello, people from YouTube. This is my 1990 Ford Bronco with a 351 Windsor motor in it. Uh, Sorry I haven't been posting any videos. It's that I've been busy with work and life and money. But I got that all situated, and I finally have time to pay attention to the Bronco, and I have done a 4-inch lift kit on it. I have done the full package, no blocks, because I just did not want to use blocks. But this is what I'm running: a 4-inch coil spring, new shocks, a new stabilizer shock that came with the package, new drop brackets. Uh, Same with the, like I said, no blocks in the rear. So it's brand new rear leaf spring, and it's got not Rancho, excuse me, Rough Country. That's what I had on before. Um, Everything else is the same. Uh, got putting more money in it, trying to make it a lot nice. Knows that. Uh, yeah, this right here is, yeah. Somebody ran into it and broke it, but it's all right. Still a nice truck. These are 32-inch tires. Still the same tires I had on the previous videos I have. But I'm probably going to go bigger. I'm probably going to go with 33s or 34s or somewhere around there. Make the truck look better. I also ordered new headers, so I'll be installing that. The Flowtech wasn't really doing for me, and it's just causing me problems. But yeah, I'm slowly putting money into her. But I'll try my best to keep up with the videos and posting more. But give me time and I will post more. Just yeah, give me a like, subscribe, and a comment, and I'll try to respond back to those comments. Thank you.